Perhaps we want to create an inventory list of products for an inventory app, and an option for users to add new products to the list. The three main steps are creating a model, creating a form and table, and adding data to the app. First thing we are going to do is to create a new model. I'll be listing smartphone models, so I'm typing smartphone as the data model name. And I want to list the model, brand, and serial number of the smartphones. And I should choose if the field will be a text or number from these options. Also, I can specify the details here. In this case, it will be a regular text. Everything is set, so now we can create our model. After creating the data model, now it's time to create a table for it. So I'm turning back to the welcome page, clicking to add new components and adding a table. Here I need to click add columns from data source, so it'll link my data that I just created. I'm choosing my model as smartphone and order by smartphone ID here. Then I click next. Here I'm typing my title, which will be smartphone list. Then I'm adjusting my columns. I'll delete this one and change this to number. Now that we've successfully created our table, we can continue creating a form for it. I'll update the input type of the serial no from text field to number and save it. Now I need to enable data operations. I'm choosing smartphone list as my data form here. Then I'm enabling create, update, and delete buttons here. Finally, I'm selecting smartphone ID as row key field. There is one last thing left to do before checking the results. I need to click pages here and then choose my form. Now I need to add a data source by clicking the use existing model option. I'll select the data model I created. Then I need to map items matching model with model and brand with brand. Now let's turn back to our welcome page and see our table. So now, whenever they want, users may enter new data to the list. Let's give it a try. Let's say iPhone 12 Apple and a serial number, and one with the Galaxy Z Samsung and another serial number. Now let's see how to change our default buttons to the ones with icons and rounded corners. You can edit your buttons from the Action Buttons section or directly by clicking on them. For the Update button, I will use a redo icon and change the shape to round. And for the Delete button, I will use a trash icon also with a round shape. Everything is set now. But lastly, let's check what you should do if you want there to be existing data when the app starts up. You can also add existing data easily from the model page. You need to click Data and then you need to click Add. The data that you'll add here will be appearing automatically when the app opens. That was a quick tutorial of how to add and display data using an internal database with Code 2.